Okay, so today we're gonna unbox this guy. So let's unbox it. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Slide it out. Oopsie. Pull. And we got some paperwork, no Apple stickers. The lightning cable to USB-C to charge the computer. Alright, let's pull it out. Gently does it. And you can slowly slide it out. Alright, how do you turn it on, you might ask? Well, there you go. That's how you turn it on. You have your connector. You can even use this when you're charging it. Let's open the iPad right here. Let me go to the Bluetooth. Magic keyboard. You can see right there. I'm going to click that. And should be connected. Feels good. Alright, that's a cool setup. And there you go. That's amazing, right, guys? Oh, it feels so cool. Alright, guys. I hope you like this little unboxing. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, and I'll check you up for an update. Peace out, y'all.